can talk if you want.
Okay, this is big. It's big.
What's the Ferris wheel in the middle made of, Connor?
I'm not quite sure. I don't know.
Connects?
Yeah. Yeah, next. If you wait 1 second, I can just do one little adjustment.
So you build all this yourself? Who built the Ferris wheel? Did you have a little bit of help with the Ferris wheel?
Yeah,
Who did that?
My dad did the Ferris wheel.
And what about the train set?
Train set I did all by myself.
All by yourself, you're kidding.
And
that's fantastic.
It's pretty easy to build.
Pretty amazing.
It is pretty
How long did it take you to build that?
And if you want to see how big the Ferris wheel is compared to me, I'll show you. This is how big it is.
Pretty big.
Wow.
Yep. Good job. Okay. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.